Is it just me, or do you agree this is crazy levels of noise?
No, it's loud because, for one, if I were inside your house, I could hear it. Right when I pulled up to the door and I was still over at my car, I can hear her music already coming.
Right.
So, yeah, unfortunately, like I said, we can't boot her door down or yank her out of the house or bust her window to get her to open the door.
But this is to you like obnoxious. We shouldn't.
It's loud. It's excessively loud. Yes. If I can hear it from the street, it's loud.
Right.
It's loud. I mean, even though it is before a certain time, I mean, you don't need to have your music on that loud.
Right. So. Right. All right. Well, thank you for saying.
No worries.